Good morning. Welcome to the engine shed, the home of the Heritage Railway, the Tyne Valley line. As you can see, moving you around slowly on my new thingamajiggy. I've moved the monument from there. I did another house there, and I've now put the monument there, which in the town I suppose should be better. I don't know if you've seen this. I know you've seen them. And as you can see, I'm now bringing the line through here. This is where the station starts and runs. Okay, let's explain that, I hope. Right, let's get to Getz. Hang on, moving some stuff so I can show you the tunnel. Right, Getz. I enjoy going. Although I've come down with a cold since I got back, which impeded work a little bit, but hey, that's life. Oh, I'm partying. Yeah, right, Getz. I enjoyed meeting Tony and a few others, but there are few, I would say the minority, who have their head so far up the backsides, it's wonder they can see anything at all. They know who they am. I'm not going to mention names. The great I ams, or the great I ain'ts. But hey, I don't think I'll be going to Getz next year. I'll go a hospital appointment on the 7th of November, and the way everything's looking, I'll be able to fly. So I shall be going to Rhodes. Only a short hop this time, because I normally go to America, as you know. Well, you don't know, but yeah, I spend a lot of time on my time in America. But I'm going to Rhodes. I've been there a couple of times before. It's easy to get to, and there's no real hassle. I have ordered some stuff, but it hasn't come yet. But I'm waffling. I'm wondering again. Yeah, Getz. I do enjoy going to Getz, but a couple of people there make it not so enjoyable. I saw making tracks for Pete Waterman. As I say, I met Tony again, great fella, and his lovely wife Laura, and one or two others. That was nice. But then you get to what I call the big guys, the big boys, and they seem to look down the noses at anybody other than themselves or their buddies, for want of a better word, their buddies. Hey, that's life, isn't it? Without having different people, life would not be so interesting. So there, that's life. sorry about me coughing. I shouldn't really do the recording this week, but it's been a couple of weeks. Yeah. Right, where was I? Yeah, Getz. Right, this normally in a year I get 2, maybe 3 engines. And last year I got the 10,000 LMSBR from Getz. This year I've got the brand new Deltic. Came out in September and I picked it up at Getz. So that will be there. Anyway, normally I get 2, maybe 3 engines in a year. This year I got 10. And it isn't the end of the year yet. Yeah, 10 engines this year. I can't believe it. Well, not to worry. As you can see, things are coming together on this part now. I'm working on, well, it's board 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Technically it's board 6, but it's in sections. And I'm working on that at the moment. Oh, stinking colds. I hate them. Don't know where I'll go from either. But the bridge is now in place. And the old main line leading to Fox Viaduct is in place. The memorial for the lives lost on the bombing in November 1940. The noughties are there, but I'm moving them. Apparently it's a private party from Milton Keynes, private swingers party from Milton Keynes. They've booked the pub for the day. Oh, I got that from Getz as well. Not that. That. I got 1 or 2 things from Getz actually. I got some more plants from Getz. I got some more tarmac from Getz. But I would sooner use my local, well, can't use my local shop anymore because it's closed down. But I've still got my Plymouth shop. So, hey, I'll just have to get my money together and go to the Plymouth shop once a year. Yeah, I like the sound of that. Okay, anyway, it is only a short video today. Not well enough to do a big one. Here, I'm planning on having, I don't know yet, I ain't made my mind up. But I'm having something there anyway. I'm going to do the town scene along there, but I've got to build the models. So that's something I'm going to probably concentrate on this week. And this, of course. But get the models built so I can go and fit it in situ. Is it really? Do you like my new gizmo? Yeah, I do. Another birthday present, by the way, this gizmo. Yeah, that's it. All right. Anyway, that's enough for me today. Have a nice day. and I'll speak to you soon. And yep, I've got a few ideas floating through my head over the next couple of months. Nothing to do with the model layout, but it is to do with layouts, but not my layouts. The big news for me next year, the shed's going to be extended. Well, I've had permission by the wife to extend the shed 10 foot longer. So what I will be doing is going through there, keeping everything else the same, but going through there, and the door might be blocked off and the door might be in the new part of the shed. That's the news. Not 10, hang on, 11:09. That's the news at 11:09. Okay, or 9 minutes past 11. Yeah, I'm sorry about me sneezing and me, well, I ain't sneezed luckily. I'm sorry about me coughing and me spluttering, but yes. I'll tell you one thing though, when I go home Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, I was creamy crackered. Boy, was I creamy crackered. I couldn't move on Monday. On Tuesday, I come down with this stupid cold. So they say 3 days on, 3 days running, and 3 days off. So that's Tuesday to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday-ish. So I should be all right next week. Yep, should be, hopefully. Okay, I'm going. So have a nice week, and I'll catch you on the other side. But before I go, I'm going to use my new gizmo to go around. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to say bye for now. Bye. Bye.